What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. It's been a busy day. OnePlus have been continuously rolling out updates for its devices. Today they rolled out stable version of OxygenOS 11 for Oneplus Nord, and I know most of you users are currently on OxygenOS 11 Open Beta 3. In this video we'll show you how can you install OxygenOS 11 stable version over OxygenOS 11 Beta 3. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. I personally tried multiple methods so that I can help you guys downgrading to stable channel without losing data, but none of them worked out. There are actually 3 ways to downgrade the device, but we'll prefer easiest one. First one is using MSM tool, and for that you need a PC, in which we might also see some issues related to drivers. Next method is to use the downgrade file, but using downgrade file you'll be losing around 5 GB of your data, so let's avoid that also. Because using the downgrade files, first your device will be downgraded to OxygenOS 10.5.10, and after that you'll get an OTA update which is again of 3 GB. So instead of that, you can prefer the easiest method. Just download the files given in the description below. It's a complete zip file of OxygenOS 11 stable channel. So here I have the file. Directly download the stable version of OxygenOS 11. Before that, you need to keep few things in mind. Make sure your device is charged more than 30%, and also do take a backup of your device, because installing stable channel over the beta version will completely wipe your data, including internal storage. So here you can see the file. Just download and place it inside the internal storage. Once you are done, just go to settings, system update, tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade and choose the file. This will give you a warning stating that the package you have selected will reset your device to factory reset after installation. So once again, make sure to take a backup of your device if you haven't. Once all done, just tap on confirm and the installation process will start, which might take around 3 to 4 minutes. So once the installation process is completed, just hit reboot. Now a device will boot into recovery and perform a factory reset. And there we go, our device has been successfully booted up. Let's complete the initial setup so that I can show you software information. So we have successfully updated our device to stable version of OxygenOS 11 from OxygenOS Open Beta 3. Talking about the software information, going to About section, and here you can see device is Oneplus Nord, Android version is Android 11, security patches Jan 1st 2021, and build number says OxygenOS 11. Which means the stable version. So guys, this was a quick guide on moving to stable channel of OxygenOS 11 for your Oneplus Nord. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.